have barrier properties, anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammation, that it should not inflame the skin. There should not be any irritation. There should not be any kind of allergy kind of a thing which should be caused to the skin. It should be natural. It should be very close to the structure of the skin, which is made out of phospholipids. It should be very much like a structure of the skin. And that's why we say it should be having anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties. Support treatment of chronic skin diseases. Because most of the dry skin, they are prone to some kind of skin diseases. It should also not be reacting to other actives which are normally used for this kind of treatment. So that even these actives have to be natural and not be reactive to some other chemical treatments which a customer or a person who's suffering from dry skin may be going through. Argan oil, shea butter. So these are the cosmetics and the moisturizing cream you use, which is a botanical answer to irritated and sensitive skin for an excellent skin feeling. So that's about a moisturizing cream. So we move on to the next product after a moisturizing cream. It's called a shaving cream. A shaving cream, as you know, all the men use it, and it's a product which is very close to all the men. That's the first thing in the morning after having a good toothbrush done. They use a shaving cream. So a shaving cream, the product, this one, it's rich, lathering and moisturizing. That's the USP of the product. And the key ingredients are Morinda citrophila, aloe vera, menthol, and a shaving cream base. Now the shaving cream base also, we make sure that the shaving cream base is such that it is very neutral to the skin. It has a herbal content. It is made out of natural oils. It does not have any petroleum or any kind of harmful products which may react with the skin in the long run. And this is suitable for all kinds of skin. It is suitable for dry skin, for oily skin, because as ladies have different kind of skin, even men have different kind of skin, like dry skin, normal skin, oily in combination. So this kind of product is suitable for all kind of skin and for all ages. So young people can also use it, and also people who are there in their maybe 50s and 60s, for them also, because as we grow old, the activity of glands, it keeps on going down. The sebaceous glands, as we keep on growing, the activity of sebaceous glands keeps on going down. That's why see in the young age, when we have all these pimples because of the oily skin, as you grow old, this sebaceous glands activity goes on coming down, and as a result, after some time your skin turns into from oily to normal, and from as you go older, maybe above 50, it turns from normal to dry also. But this kind of a system also works very well for dry skin also. So for your fathers, for your grandfathers also, this product is very good, and they use it very well and be very comfortable with this kind of a product. Benefit: it's a rich and stable lather. It gives a good lather, gives a good foam, so that the glide of the blade through the skin is very good. It doesn't really hurt the skin or does not cause any kind of cuts and abrasions in the skin. The glide is very smooth and gives a smooth shape. So that's about the shaving cream, the men's product. Discuss about the face wash. If you wash, and you see that this comes with some special actives which are called milli capsules. You see, if you can see, this is a milli capsule with small capsules inside which are suspended in the face wash. These are various colors, and the colors, they denote various kind of actives which are used. Now the active which is used also is Morinda citrophila, noni, and this particular active, when it is used in this kind of a face wash, it cleanses the skin, it makes the skin smooth, and the actives are getting absorbed into the skin to give you a kind of coating from the UVA and the UVB rays. So it's also a natural sunscreen also. It has SPF of about 10, this kind of face wash. So if you're going out in the sun, this can give you protection for up to 2 hours in the sun, because it also has aloe vera. That is also a natural sunscreen. So this particular product is giving you multiple benefits. Number one, it is giving you a good clean skin, which when your pores open up, it can breathe well with the atmosphere outside, and it also acts as a natural sunscreen with an SPF 10. So there are two benefits you get with this one product. And this product is a very versatile product, because with this product you can use this combination of product with all the other products, because if you have to make any product get absorbed into your skin, the first process would be cleaning the skin properly, washing the skin properly, so that the actives of the other product are getting absorbed. So this is one product which will be a kind of a beginning product for all the other products. This is the first product you can recommend to the customers, that okay, now use a face wash, and after face wash the other products can follow and they come as a complete package. Normally in cosmetics, we have a complete regime. We have a regime of the processes. For example, if you go to a beauty salon, in a beauty salon you find that there is a complete regime that they follow. Number one, if you see that they cleanse the skin very well, with a cleanser, with a cleansing milk, or with some kind of a face wash or a cleansing gel. So that's the first process. I'd appreciate if all of you can write it down, because this is the basics. These are the basics, and if you can put a note of all this, it will help you add on the products, make a complete group of the products together. So the first process in the complete regime is cleansing. Yeah. So cleansing, the first product that comes up is a face wash. The second process of the skin regime is called toning. So toning, you have a rose toner, you have a toners, it tones the skin. The third process after toning is called exfoliation. Exfoliation, EXFOLIATION. Exfoliation. Basically, exfoliation is taking off the top dead layer of the skin. When we talked about the skin types, if you remember, in skin types, we talked about the skin layer. So the top layer here